million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
You know, if I come on here looking stupid, it's because I did something stupid. So y'all know we in the middle of this Red and Blonde series, which is gonna last for a while because I have so many wigs that I purchased. And I saw this wig and I was like, I'ma try it. And I don't know why I tried it. You done seen it too. She looks so sad on that stock card. It's like she'll sing a Madea song, down on my luck, back against the wind. You see what I'm saying? Like, she looks sad, but you know, y'all know I'm gonna try it once. Okay, so this wig is about Outre, and y'all know they are in my top 3 most favorite synthetic wig makers. A lot of wigs I've been reviewing lately are by them. It's part of that Wigpop collection, which means don't pop your shit too hard because ain't no lace. No lace. And it's in the style JOVI, J-O-V-I. And I know that name, if you hadn't picked up on it, is Bon Jovi, because look at the hair, the little mullet style. Okay, it's 14 inches long. I got it in the color DR Red Velvet because, like I said, we're in our Red and Blonde series. And it's seat safe up to 400 degrees because we might need to cast this to the pits of hell, depending on how it look on us. All right, so wasn't no lace or nothing to cut off. You know, and it might surprise me. It might turn out, I will say that red velvet is super cute, huh? That's super cute. Cap construction, I just told you can't pop your shit, ain't much to it. Comb in the back, adjustable straps. And in the front, you get 2 combs. Okay, so what I wanna do, because I'm not gonna be able to talk to y'all while I do this, I'm gonna put it on my head and play around with it. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna chat about JOVI. Okay, so first, keep in mind I purchased this wig with my own coins. I got, like I told you, it's a whole box of 27 wigs over there. And so I would 1000% be honest with y'all. I'm gonna be honest, I really think that this wig has potential. Like, cause is it for me? Is it for somebody? Oh yeah, 1000%. I think that somebody would get this and totally rock it. I also am almost 100% sure that had I purchased this for me and got it in black, that would be a look. I would straighten these little pieces out. It'd be different. Remember Rihanna did it? Why can't, you know, she's the queen of everything, so why not? It's really not as bad as I thought it was going to be. This wig does have potential, but this is one that you can't be, first of all, this ain't one that you can wear with absolutely no makeup. Don't do that to yourself. That's the first thing. Secondly, I don't see nobody taking it straight out of the pack and looking good to go. You ain't gonna look like no rock star. You gonna look like you on rock, crack rock, right? Okay, so the wig has potential. You just gonna have to play around with it, right? Y'all know when it comes to this, y'all know I ain't afraid to try anything. In the comments, tell me, would you rock this wig? And if so, would you wear it in this red, or would you prefer like a natural color? Because I really don't think she that bad. What I do with wigs like this, before I go watch any of my boos on YouTube review it, because I got some favorite YouTubers. Before I go watch one of them review it, I have to review it myself so I don't go in biasly. Now to be interested to hear what people, you know, have to say. The other thing I want you to know is me looking at this wig, if I remove this, y'all, I would rock that, right? So I was like, dang, I want a wig like that. So the next review I'm gonna do is on that, a wig just like that. And I got it in 2 colors, a blonde and a red, so that's coming. But see, that would be a look, huh? But they had to go and put this little part there, which somebody will make it cute, somebody will make it work. In the comments, like I said, don't forget to tell me if you will wear this. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Whitney, maybe it's your Uncle Bobby, whichever one. Send them my way, and y'all know while we doing this red and blonde series, we'll get them all the way together. It's starting to grow on me a little bit. Is it? No? Tell me in the comments. Until next time, which will be very soon, because I'm about to review that next one. Bye.